Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English Conversation. Managing Risk and Uncertainty. Hello. In this video, we learn the importance of managing risk and uncertainty in the workplace and provide insights into the strategies involved at work in the English language.
Good morning, team. Today, I'd like to discuss an essential aspect of our new project, managing risk and uncertainty. As we venture into developing innovative software solutions for various industries, it's crucial to be prepared for potential challenges. Let's dive into the key topics we need to cover.
Good morning, Mr. Oliver. Managing risk and uncertainty sounds vital for the success of our project. Where should we start?
Great question, Bob. Let's begin by defining what we mean by risk and uncertainty. Risk refers to the possibility of events or circumstances occurring that may impact our project, either positively or negatively. Uncertainty, on the other hand, refers to situations where we face unknowns or unpredictable factors that could affect our project's outcomes.
I see. So, it's about being aware of potential issues and preparing for the unexpected. How do we identify these risks and uncertainties?
Precisely, Sharon. Identifying risks and uncertainties involves a thorough analysis of our project. We need to consider various factors, such as project scope, timelines, technology requirements, and external dependencies. Additionally, brainstorming sessions with the team and involving stakeholders will help us uncover potential risks.
That makes sense. Once we know the risks, how do we evaluate their impact and probability?
Good question, Bob. Evaluating impact and probability is crucial for prioritizing risks. We can use historical data, industry research, and expert opinions to assess how likely each risk is to occur and how severe its impact might be on our project's objectives. This way, we can focus on addressing the most critical risks first.
I understand now. So, what strategies can we use to mitigate these risks and uncertainties?
Excellent point, Sharon. There are several strategies we can employ. For example, we can develop contingency plans to handle potential risks, diversify our approach to reduce dependence on a single solution, and collaborate closely with stakeholders to better understand their concerns and needs. Emphasizing flexibility and adaptability will also help us respond effectively to unforeseen challenges.
Collaboration with stakeholders seems crucial. How can we ensure effective communication and collaboration within the team?
You're absolutely right, Bob. Communication and collaboration are key. As a team, we should encourage an open and transparent environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their insights and concerns. Regular meetings, progress updates, and constructive feedback sessions will help us stay aligned and work together toward our goals.
I agree. It's essential to keep track of how things are progressing. How do we monitor and review the risk management process?
Monitoring and review are continuous throughout the project lifecycle. We'll designate specific team members to oversee risk management efforts, ensuring that the strategies we put in place remain relevant and effective. Regular progress reports and project status updates will allow us to adjust our plans as needed and address any emerging risks promptly.
This all sounds great, Mr. Oliver. With so much uncertainty, how can we maintain a positive outlook?
A positive outlook is essential, Bob. Embrace the fact that managing risks is a part of every project, and we have the skills and expertise to handle them. Remember that every challenge presents an opportunity for growth and improvement. As a team, we'll face uncertainties together, supporting and encouraging each other throughout the journey.
Thank you for guiding us through this, Mr. Oliver. It's reassuring to know that we have a well-structured approach to managing risk and uncertainty.
You're welcome, Sharon. I have complete confidence in our team's capabilities. By actively addressing risks and uncertainties, we will deliver exceptional software solutions to our clients and achieve success in this project.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.